In today's video we will learn about Police string, which is an implementation of stack. So let us see what is Police string first. It refers to the notation in which the operator symbol is placed either before the operand, which is called prefix notation, or after its operand, that is known as postfix notation. In contrast to usual form where operator is placed between the operands, that is known as infix notation. So this is the infix notation. Suppose we have an expression a plus b. In this expression a and b are operand and this plus is known as operator. So we can clearly see that the operator is placed in between the operands here, while in the same expression in postfix notation is written like this, ab plus. So it shows the operands are written first and the operator comes at the end, so right hand side of the operand. Similarly, in prefix notation, the operator comes before the operands, that is first operator plus and then the operand a and b. Similarly, we have another example of infix notation here, a minus c within bracket into b. So this same expression can be written in postfix notation as ac minus b star, that is multiplication sign, and in prefix notation it will be written as into minus a cb. Similarly, there are two more examples. So now how to write an infix expression into postfix expression we will learn in next slides. So this is the method of conversion of an infix to postfix notation expression. While evaluating an infix expression, the order of evaluation is whenever we evaluate any infix expression, the order of evaluation is as per this. First of all, we evaluate the brackets or parentheses, then we evaluate exponentiations, that is powers, and then after that we move to multiplication or division. So multiplication and division both has same priority, so whichever is come first that will be implemented first, and so on. Similarly, the last one is called addition or subtraction. Again, these two have same priority, so whichever comes first that will be evaluated first. If plus come first, addition, then addition will be evaluated first, and if subtraction comes first, then subtraction will be evaluated. Now what are the steps to convert infix expression to postfix? First of all, we will determine the actual evaluation order by inserting brackets. So we will write the infix expression and then we will put the brackets as per the evaluation order, which is given by the order of evaluation. Then we convert the expression in innermost brackets into postfix. So whichever expression is written in innermost bracket, that will be first converted to postfix, and conversion to postfix expression will be we will write both the operands first and then we will put the operator at the end by putting the operator after operands. Third step is we will repeat the step 2 until the entire expression is converted into postfix notation. So we will keep on repeating the step 2 until the entire expression is converted into postfix notation. So this was the steps that are supposed to be used to convert an infix expression to postfix expression. So that's all about this video, and in next video we will learn, or we will see how to convert infix to postfix with few examples.